So this is a pack of camera adapters, primarily for GoPro Insta360, but they also have functionality for other things as well. This guy costs $9.99 if you want to purchase it. It was sent to me to review for free, and they've not paid me for my review, so my opinions remain my own. Alright, so let's see what the 15 pieces are that we get here. So you have many of these little easy to turn by hand screws, and then you have a lot of other pieces. So we have these guys, which are 1/4 by 20s, and they can also tighten down with this screw here. So this will hook into any 1/4 by 20 socket on cameras, accessory devices, whatever. We also have these two here, which are 1/4 by 20 sockets. That'll screw onto the top of a tripod or other mounting system. And then, of course, we have these guys, which have these little hot shoe connector plates that will snap into the cameras. And they have already a bolt or a nut that's captive in them. And so these guys will thread through there. And so you can basically mix and match these guys to put whichever of these bases on whichever of these tops you're looking to do. So this guy here can tighten down. When you tighten down enough, it'll stop rotating back and forth. So we have here two of these that have two, and then we have a whole bunch of things that have three. And we actually appear to have maybe more of these little screw things than we really need. So you're getting some extra kind of spare parts. So we get basically one extra screw thing, so you can lose one of these and you'll have spare. And then you can basically pick what you want to do. So if you want to, have basically just an adapter that lets you get an angle difference, you could put a 1/4 by 20 threaded post at the end of a 1/4 by 20 socket, and then you could adjust this thing like that. If you want to put one of these guys on a camera mount, you can do a threaded post or the socket onto the camera mount. We have 7 of the screws. We have 2 each of these camera clip mounts. We have 2 of the 1/4 by 20, which have the sockets, which have the 3 connectors. And then you have 2 of the 1/4 by 20 bolts that have the 2 connectors. And so essentially you can put these 2 on any of those guys, and then anything else that's left over after you've done that, you basically just have extra spare. So you want 2 of those cameras, you want 2 of these cameras, you want 2 of these guys. Whatever you don't use is spares and extras. And so that's what's in this package.